Mastering adverbs of frequency. Always on the go. Hello language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our series on adverbs of frequency. Today, we will focus on a very popular and useful adverb of frequency, always. Whether you're a beginner or just need a refresher, this video will provide a comprehensive overview of using the adverb, always, correctly in English sentences. The word, always, is an adverb of frequency. It implies that something happens all the time or on every occasion. For example, in the sentence, I always drink coffee in the morning. The word, always, tells us that the action of drinking coffee happens regularly, every morning without fail. Understanding where to place always in a sentence can dramatically improve your English fluency. Generally, always is placed before the main verb. For example, she always arrives on time. However, when using forms of the verb to be, like is, am, are, was, were, always, comes after. For example, he is always late. Always can be used in various tenses, including present simple, present continuous, and past simple, among others. Let's look at some examples. Present simple, he always eats breakfast at 7 a.m. Present continuous, she is always losing her keys. Past simple, they always visited their grandparents on Sundays. Note how the placement of always remains the same, regardless of the tense. Always can be used in questions and negative sentences as well. In questions, it's placed after the subject. For example, do you always study at night? In negative sentences, always comes before the main verb. Like, I don't always eat dessert. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you use always in your daily English conversations, the better you will get at using it correctly. We hope this video on the adverb of frequency, always, has been insightful. Stay tuned for more lessons to continue improving your English grammar skills. Happy learning, and as always, keep practicing.